Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to dive in the world of stunning Korean earring designs that are taking 2023 by storm? In this video, we will showcase the latest trends in Korean jewelry, focusing on the most captivating and fashionable earrings that every trendsetter should have in their collection. From minimalistic elegance to bold and vibrant statements, these earrings are all the rage in the fashion world. So join us as we explore the unique craftsmanship and intricate details that make Korean earrings stand out. You will get a close-up look at the variety of designs, including delicate studs, chic hoops, and glamorous dangles. Our expert fashionistas will guide you through the hottest trends, color palettes, and materials that are dominating the Korean jewelry since the year. Whether you are K-beauty enthusiast, a jewelry lover, or just someone looking to enhance their style, this video has something for everyone. Get ready to be inspired and stay ahead of the fashion curve by incorporating these amazing Korean earrings in your daily looks. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your accessory game with these must-have pieces. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting fashion and jewelry insight. Stay tuned for the most fashionable content for the latest Korean jewelry trends. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.